Hi everyone, this is Adriana
and Leonardo
from eXp Realty
in Orlando, Florida.
Very happy to let you know that we're listing this beautiful commercial property in Orlando on John Young Parkway on the main road with high flow of traffic. This wonderful property has over 10,000 square feet with huge space for all your equipment, ready for you to see it. And please come and see us soon. I know it's going to be sold very, very quick. So we wait for you guys.
Estamos poniendo esta hermosa bodega a la venta en John Young Parkway en Orlando, Florida. Tiene más de 10,000 pies cuadrados construidos y la puede utilizar para todo lo comercial que pueda tener en el mercado. Los esperamos.
Los esperamos. We'll see you. Okay, guys, so we're inside the building of the commercial property on John Young Parkway that we're going to be putting on the market. This commercial building can be used pretty much for any commercial business that you may have. It's a great opportunity for your investment here in Orlando because it's a great location on John Young Parkway main road with high flow of traffic. This building, as you can see, it has over 10,000 square feet. It's an open floor plan and it's zoned for commercial. You can pretty much use it for any business. I hope you can come and visit us. Please contact me for more information and we'll be here ready for you to assist you. Acá estamos en el edificio que vamos a poner en el mercado, zonificado para comercial, más de 10,000 pies cuadrados, completamente abierto para todo tipo de negocio que ustedes quieran hacer. Está en la vía principal donde hay bastante tráfico, en la mejor ubicación de Orlando. Acá los esperamos.